Ready to supercharge your sales team and watch your conversion rates explode? Today, we're diving into how to build a powerful AI sales agent using Retell, a platform that enables your agent to have realistic conversations. First, you'll need to create a Retell account and navigate to their platform. Once inside your Retell dashboard, look for the Create button. Click this to begin building your AI sales agent. After selecting Create, you will see the option to build different types of agents. Select Sales Agent, as this is the most appropriate type for the project. Now, it's time to configure your agent. You'll personalize it by adding a name, a phone number, or setting up integrations for your agent to use for outreach within the platform. You can customize the personality, the voice, and the conversation flow so it aligns with your brand's messaging. This is where you create a conversational flow. Add the steps your AI agent should take, from the initial greeting to qualifying the lead and addressing the user's questions. Many of the platforms that Retell offers integrate with others. Integrate your CRM and other business systems for seamless data flow, enabling your AI to pull customer information during the conversation. Test and refine your AI agent by running several test calls and make adjustments as necessary. Retell platform allows easy monitoring to analyze the AI's performance. Congratulations, you've just built an AI sales agent with Retell, streamlining your sales efforts for increased conversions and improved customer interactions.